an arrest warrant for him. Parang hindi niya yata masyadong naintindihan ang proseso ng pagka nag-issue ang korte ng bench warrant, warrant for arrest. It is out of our hands already. It is in the court's hands. Kailangan ang kausap niya ang korte. Dahil ang executive, ang papel lang namin ngayon ay arestuhin siya. So all of these conditions that he's putting in are immaterial.
Sir, si VP Sara nag-apologize sa mga KOJC members for asking them to vote for you.
Well, it's a prerogative. I still don't understand why, but that it is her wish. Wala tayo
So wala na ho, wala na kayong communication ng Vice President?
No, not at all. Not at all. The last time I spoke to her was when she handed me her resignation. And we haven't spoken since.
And then yung ano po, yung sabi nila lagi, this is all politicking. Yung mga lumalabas po na investigasyon, there's even a threat of impeachment against the Vice President. Ito daw po ay pamumulitika.
I don't know where all of that coming up. This is a budget hearing. Well, hindi naman pinag-usapan yung mga ito. This is something that every single government agency has to do. So it's a hearing. There's no politics in it. We do it every year. We do it with the same department. We do it. That process is well established and it has nothing to do with politics. It has to do with the budget. So I don't know how she can characterize these things, which is essentially an information gathering exercise for the House and for the Senate, so that they know what the budget will look like. So there's malayo sa politika yun.
Mr. President, thank you. Thank you.